Up.
Don't be scared of that noise. Galing! Yeah, galing! Gusto galing!
Wait. One! This!
Ano? Come out, please. Come out.
Come out!
Okay na, wala na.
There's two mamas there. Mamas, come here. Mom. They're with her babies. I
Yeah.
bring them with their baby. Friends.
So, these are the pregnant fish. Guppies, and those are boys, no? The male. These are the males. And these are females. And pregnant. All of these are pregnant. Oh. Watch out. Hold on. Okay. Hold it. Come on, jump. Jump, fish, jump. Good. Okay na. Meron pa?
Opo, meron. Oh, meron pa. Meron. Babies.
Marami pa?
Yes. There's still a mama.
Wow.
There's still a mama to the left.
Yeah. Do you like taking care of those fish?
Also.
Those are guppies. No?
Wait. I get the baby. There's one baby left. I could get that baby.
One na lang? How many na lang? Two. I guess there's two.
Okay, I think there's.
Wow, galing mo naman. One na lang. Yun, one last na lang. Oh, very good. Last one. Yay! Congratulations, Dessa. You did a great job. Mission accomplished. Can you say that?
Mission accomplished.
Very good. Hold on. Let me check. Oh, the baby. Oh, okay na. Wow. So, tomorrow, the other fish naman. This one.
Mama, I want to meet the baby.